Welcome back, everyone. You may be having an issue with your set of AirPods where for some reason one of the AirPods are louder than the other one. Now, to be honest, this happens for a ton of different reasons, but the easiest way to go ahead and fix this problem, as I've done year after year, is to actually go ahead and if your AirPods are out of their case or if they're in their case, just take them out of the case and literally plug these AirPods back into the case like this and go ahead and just close the AirPods case and let them sit there for maybe like 2 to 3 seconds, maybe like 10, 20 seconds. That's a little bit better. Let them sit there, let them kind of reset, make sure that the light's on, just let it turn off by itself. And once you're ready and when you think things are in place, you can go ahead and turn this AirPod case back on like this. Go ahead and put the headphones back into your ear. And I will be honest, like 95% out of like 100 times, this is pretty much going to fix it. In my experience, this is what's fixed it for me majority of the times. This especially happens when you have one AirPod in your ear and you put the other one in your ear like maybe like 10 or 20 minutes later. That's typically what causes this issue. And if you just take them out, put them both in your ear at the same time, that may end up fixing it. Now, if that doesn't fix it, another thing you could do is to actually go ahead and find the song that you're playing on your AirPod and make sure that that song doesn't for some reason have some weird setting where you have one AirPod or one side of the headphone not working. Sometimes if you see like with this little thing here, if you actually have one AirPod in your ear and one out, sometimes you may see that one of these things are kind of like messed up a little bit or shows that only one AirPod is in your ear. If that ends up being the case, then you may have to put them back in your case and go ahead and just kind of like put them back in your ear and see if that fixed it. Another thing you can do, and this is pretty much going to fix it for a majority of people, is to actually go ahead, turn your AirPods to the back of their case right here, open the flap up top, and you want to go and hold down the reset button on the back until the white light on the front starts blinking. Now, when it starts doing that, all you have to do, just like so, is go ahead and bring your iPhone close to it, go ahead and reconnect and repair your AirPods to your iPhone, and that may end up fixing it too. Like I mentioned, for a lot of people, this may end up fixing it, and that's pretty much all you have to do. If not, you can try cleaning out your AirPods as well. So go ahead and take your AirPods out, clean them out thoroughly on the sides and everything. If that still doesn't work, make sure the insides aren't, kind of tampered with. You may have accidentally messed up your AirPods too, so you can always contact Apple and have them take a look at your AirPods too. But those are pretty much the main ways to fix it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.